Okay guys, so it's Monday morning. This is the time where I get to show you guys the car completely now. Well, let me see if I could get this thing up. Yep. So the hood is not there's nothing wrong with the hood. Everything's okay with the hood. Everything down here seems to be okay also. This seems to be okay. That one too. And these weren't touched. That bumper reinforcement also. This one's practically. Let me show you guys. There's practically nothing wrong with it. As you can see, there's nothing wrong with it, but this little scrape. So those are straight. Let me see. Let me show you. See, there's nothing wrong with the reinforcement bar. Most of the damage, as you can see right here in the bumper, this is the front bumper, and most of the damage got through here. So that messed up this little grill that goes down there. It broke the radiator support on both sides. The fan seems to be okay. The grill seems to be okay too. I checked it. There's nothing broken. There's no broken pieces. So everything seems to be okay on that too. I'm gonna put this aside. That one's broken. The radiator support, like I told you, the bumper has that hole, which is repairable. I'm gonna try to repair that one. The bumper on the E90 was way worse than this, so I'm pretty sure I could save this one also. We will need that bottom grill that goes right there. We will need the AC condenser. I will need the radiator, and maybe the, what's it called, the transmission oil cooler. So maybe, I don't know. I've been looking for it. I don't even know how that thing looks for this car, so I'm pretty sure it needs it. I'm not sure. I've been looking for some radiators, and it's telling me that if it comes, like it doesn't come with the oil cooler, and some of them do. So I don't know. I guess it depends on the car. I'm not sure. I need to look further into that, but it looks bad, but it's not that bad. Let's go on to this side. Oh, let me show you guys the headlights also. So like I said, the damage was not that bad, but I guess the insurance had to remove everything just to see how bad was it underneath. You can even see this cross member up here, the top one. There was nothing wrong with it. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. So I guess he just got hit like somewhere right here in the middle and smashed the AC condenser and the radiator and broke where is it? Let me show you guys. He broke these pieces down there, and he broke this top part somewhere around there. So it goes somewhere around there. So that's the main damage. The AC condenser and the radiator. That's pretty much it. But the they had to remove all these pieces to make sure there wasn't more damage, and well, all that damage got caused by the insurance or the estimator guys. So I'm okay with that. The headlights were also removed, and they are right here. So they're not broken. They were removed properly, so they're good. They're perfectly good. You can see all the tabs are good. Everything's okay on the headlights. So it starts and it drives. I drove it down the trailer. I can't leave it on for a lot because I need the radiator. But let me show you guys inside. Oh well, let me show you guys around it. Like on this side, there is practically nothing wrong besides being dirty. The tires are practically new also all around. It seems to have some moisture inside the headlight, the tail light, so I don't know if it has a little hole or maybe a little crack. Not sure, but nothing wrong on this side. Everything okay on the back. It's got some little marks right here, but I don't know if those were made by the insurance. I don't think so. And this side's got a dent on the rear door. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you guys can see it. That's pretty much on this side also. It's got 75,000 miles. All tires are okay. I think the tires are run flats, something like that. That's what I don't know who told me, but or I read them right here. I'm not sure, but this one's flat or low. I don't know, but let me show you guys inside. There's a little key. Kind of funny. I was looking for the key when I got this, and I was looking for the key and then found out that this was the keys. It's pretty dirty. Looks like they had like a couple dogs in here, so it smells kind of funny, and there's a lot of dog hairs everywhere. I don't know if you could tell on the carpet. And they even have a little bowl for the food, or cats. Most likely it was a dog, but anyways, here we go. It's a manual transmission, guys. 6-speed. I'm not gonna turn the car on right now till I get the radiator. But there it is. Pretty cool, guys. Honestly, it is pretty cool. I like it. It's got the 2 sunroofs. Both of them open at the same time, or I could even send the front one to the back and that one closes. This is pretty cool. I really like it. I really like it a lot. And my wife loved it. Too bad she doesn't know how to drive a manual, but all those seats seem to be okay. All those seats are okay. There's nothing wrong with the interior besides being dirty. And it's very spacious back here too, so it's a really nice car. It's a really nice car. So what do you think, guys? Let me know what you guys think of this car. This is my next project, and I'm gonna start cleaning it and ordering some parts. So I'm gonna start doing that. Okay guys, so now I'm waiting for some parts, but while I'm waiting for the parts, I'm gonna try to see if I can fix this bumper like usual. And I like saving stuff and saving money, so this bumper is really not that bad. It might seem bad, but honestly this hole is really easy to fix. The worst part about it is this crack. I mean, not this crack, it's completely broken apart, so I have to fix that. But beyond that, everything else seems to be perfect. So these scratches ain't nothing. This is something that the buffer will take care of, so not really that concerned about that. So for this stuff, and I'm not being sponsored by no one, so That's what I'm using. JB Weld epoxy to fill this hole and to connect that, to weld that together. So let me do that.